Good afternoon, student. So, today I want to discuss about the syllabus of your pre-board examination, and you should know that pre-board examination, actually the syllabus will be the same as per the board exam. That board exam and pre-board exam syllabus will be the same. So let me discuss about this syllabus, okay, about pre-board examination. And that would be because pre-board examination syllabus is the same of the board exam as well, okay. So today's your English syllabus for this time, as it will appear in the board exam, this is rationalized curriculum. So in this rationalized curriculum, English syllabus is divided in part A and part B. Part A will be 40 marks, part A MCQ and part B subjective question, subjective part, okay. Both will be of 40 marks and 40 marks. Both will be 40 marks, okay. Subjective, if it is not, this is part B, I'm just, part A, I think it's not visible, part A and part B, okay, 40 marks, 40 marks, part A MCQ part and part B subjective, okay, subjective. So this is the total part, the division of syllabus. So let us discuss about part A, what type of question will come in part A. Then I will come to you if you have any queries. This is part A. Part A, still it's not visible, so I should write here. Part A, yes. First question, this is unseen passage. As usual, first question unseen passage, 1 into 10 marks, means 1 into 10 marks MCQ. Here you will get 11 questions, but you will have to answer any 10 of these 11 questions. Question number 2, unseen passage. Unseen passage, 1 into 10 MCQ. So question number 1 and question number 2 both will be unseen, and here you will get 11 questions in question number 1 and question number 2. You will have to attempt any 10 and it will be of 1 marks MCQ. 4 options there. Question number 3, 3 extract will come from prose. Listen properly. 3 extract means 3 passages will come from prose. 2 from Flamingo, 1 from Vistus. You will have to answer any 2 of these 3. 3 passages will come from text, as I am telling, and these will also be of MCQ. So you will have to answer 2 passage from prose. 3 passage will come, 2 from Flamingo, 1 from Vistus. Here you will have to answer 8. 4 questions will be there. Means 4 plus 4. 4 questions will be there, you will have to answer 8. Next, 2 stanzas from poem. 2 stanza means here 1 stanza. 2 stanza will come, 1 to attempt. This is also MCQ. This is also MCQ. 2 stanza will come from 2 different poems, and 4 questions will be there. You will have to answer any of these 2. 1 stanza from poem, 8 MCQ. Okay. Next, 5 text based question. Text based questions. Here 1 into 8. No, sorry, it should be 1 4. This is 8 MCQ. Here no passage or stanza will be there. Question number 5, you will get 10 MCQ questions from Flamingo and Vistas from prose and poem. Here direct question, no passage or no stanza will be there. 10 questions will be there, you will have to answer any 8. So see how much marks over there? 20 and this 20. 10 plus 10, this 20 marks unseen comprehension. 8, 28, 4, 32 and 8. This is part A, 40 marks, all will be MCQ. Okay, all will be MCQ. This total part, all will be MCQ. So this is part A. Part A will be of MCQ. That again I am telling unseen passage, 11 question you will get, you will have to answer any 10. Question number 2, unseen passage, 11 question you will get, you will have to answer any 10, all MCQ. Question number 3, 3 passage from prose, I am telling 2 will come from Flamingo, 1 will from Vistas. You will have to answer any 2 of these, any 2 means 4 plus 4, total 8 MCQ. 1 stanza from poem, 4 marks. 2 stanza will come from 2 different poems, you will have to answer any 1 of these, 4. Text based question, here no MCQ will be there, sorry, no stanza or no extract or no passage will be there, only MCQ questions. Only MCQ questions will be there and that will be of 8 marks. So total 40 marks from part A, that is MCQ based, that 40 marks from part A. Understood? Do you have any queries regarding part A? This is part A. Very simple, everything will be there. So here in 40 marks we see 28 marks from 18 marks, yes, 18 marks from 20 marks, sorry, 20 marks from unseen passage and 20 for text MCQ. Now part B, this is part B, this is subjective question. Part B, question number 1 in part B, might be question number 6 in your question paper, but I am telling in part B, question number 1. Here notice slash advertisement, both will come. This will be of 3 marks. Notice slash advertisement means both notice and advertisement, both will come. You will have to attempt any one of these 2. Any one of these 2. Okay? Any one of these 2. You will have to answer any one of these 2. Next, invitation. Reply to invitation. This will be of 3 marks. Invitation, reply to the invitation, 3 marks. Next, letter, 5 marks. Next, article slash report, both will come, 5 marks. See, this is part B I am telling about. Notice, advertisement, both will come, attempt any one, 3 marks. Invitation, reply to the invitation, both will come, attempt 1, 3 marks. Next, letter writing, letter will come, 5 marks. 2 letters will come, 2 letters will come, okay, 1 to attempt, 5 marks. Article and report, both will come, 1 to attempt, that will also be 5 marks. Okay. Okay. So this is this total by Titian. This will be of 16 marks writing. 16 marks writing part. This will be writing part. 16 marks. Next, next question. Six question will come from Flamingo. 6 question will come from Flamingo. You will have to attempt prose, poem, Flamingo. You will have to attempt any 5, means 10 marks. 6 question will come from Flamingo, prose and poem. From both prose and poem, you will have to answer any 5 of these. Next, 3 questions. Okay, 3 questions will come. 3 questions will come from prose of Vistas. From Vistas, you will have to attempt any 2. 2 question will come from Vistas. You will have to attempt any 2 of these. Next, 2 questions will come, long answer question, long answer question from Flamingo. 2 question will come from Flamingo, 1 to attempt. Last question, long answer question, 2 question will be there from Vistas, 1 to attempt. See, this is also be of 40 marks. 5 plus 5, 10, 14, 24, 29, 24, 29, then 34, 37, 40. So total 16 marks writing and total 16 marks writing from here, not here, and 24 marks text in part B. Total 24 marks text. Again I am telling for text subjective question, the 2 marks question will come, 6 question will come from Flamingo, 5 to attempt, 3 questions will come from Vistas, 2 to attempt. So total you will have to attempt 7 questions of 2 marks, 7 questions of 2 marks, 5 from Flamingo, 2 from Vistas. Then one long question from Flamingo, 1 long question from Vistas. So this is total 40. Okay. So I feel you have understood regarding this syllabus analysis that I told. I feel you know all this. Still I am reminding you. You should know. Still I am reminding. Now, for writing, what are the writing part in you? As I told, notice, advertisement, invitation, reply to the invitation, formal letter, article, and report. We have already discussed about that, about all these, article, all the writing format as well. Now, for letter writing, what type of letter will come? Only 2 options over there: job application and editorial letter. Just remember, for letter, you are having only 2 types of letter: job application and editorial letter. Editorial means letter to editor. Job application and letter to editor. Okay, these 2 types of letter will come. Both this type will come. You'll have to answer any one. You'll have to answer any one. Now, these are the total syllabus discussion that I told. I feel you don't have, you may have any queries, you may not have any queries. If you have, you may ask. I may, answer you regarding the syllabus discussion or syllabus analysis, because whatever question you will get in your pre-board exam, that starts from 27th, and if I'm not wrong, 2nd March you are having English. So pre-board exam, the question paper had been prepared strictly following the board pattern. So the pattern that you will get, it will be the same that you will get in board exam as well. Okay. So I feel it would be a good test for you also. You will get to know that what I feel you know already. Still I have discussed that this is the format, and the chapters that have been deleted, still I want to tell you that which part has been deleted from syllabus. That note making and summarizing has totally been deleted, so no need to prepare note making. From Flamingo, 4 chapters have been deleted, 3 prose, that is Poets and Pancakes, The Interview and Going Places, and Roadside Stand, poem. So these 4 parts had been deleted. From Vistas, 3 chapters have been deleted, that is The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood. These 3 had been deleted. And from writing, poster making deleted, and later from inquiry, registering complaint, asking for and giving information, placing orders, sending replies, these all had been deleted. Speech and debate had been deleted. You should remember that speech and debate was there in class 11. You had later for asking for information, making inquiries, placing order, these later also were there. It's not there. Poster making was also there, not there. So very simple. Writing part is very small. Only at first advertisement, notice, both will come, one to attempt, then invitation and reply to the invitation will come, one to attempt, then letter will come. That two types of letter only, that is job application and editorial letter. So both prepare both these, because both these will come, you will have to attempt any one, and there 2 will come, that is report writing and article writing. In between 2 will come. So very simple, that notice, advertisement 3 marks, invitation, reply to the invitation 3 marks, letter writing 5 marks, and article 5 marks. So if we just analyze the marks, the total 80 marks, see how it is. At first unseen will be up, unseen passage. See, unseen passage of 20 marks. Writing of that all will be MCQ. Okay, writing will be of 16 marks, that is subjective, means you will have to write, no MCQ over here. And text part, see, 36, so 44 marks will be from text. Take the division, 44, 20 marks MCQ, 24 marks subjective. 24 marks subjective. Is in this 24 I told that 5 into 2, 22, 14 and 10. Okay, means 2 marks question will be 7, 2 marks question will be 7 questions will be 2 marks, and 2 long broad question of 5 marks. So this is total division of marks. See, it will be of 80 marks, 40. This is part A and part B. Okay, so this is the total marks division there. Yeah, that you will get there. And we are having 20 marks, that will be internal, ASL. Okay, ASL after exam. I will actually ASL, one thing you should know that in class 11 we are having 2 parts of ASL, that is listening and speaking. Speaking you have already sent through the email ID that I provided, that school had provided. So it's with me, your speaking part, but for listening part, we will have to arrange the listening part. You should remember that question paper had been given, then I would read the passage and you will have to listen and answer these. So listening part, it's still remaining. We will have to do this listening part. We are having the time. So at first focus on this pre-board examination, and I hope it's going to be a great examination, good examination. Okay. And so far, now, do you have any queries regarding this? If you have, you may ask. I don't feel you are having any queries.